YouTube channel. In this particular video, I want to talk with you all and share some information and thoughts with respect to the current state that we're in around COVID-19 and the fact that jobless claims as a result of COVID-19 has spiked since April 2020, upwards of 36 million, according to NewYorkTimes.com. The other day, while I was at a local retail store, I overheard a conversation and a person saying, "I am bankrupt." I am not talking about Monopoly. And there are several words that seem to be very prevalent right now. And those 3 B words is not the Better Business Bureau, but it's about benefits, unemployment benefits, the lack of health care benefits due to job loss, and bankruptcy. Which brings me to this conversation. So, some of the themes of this year, 2020, are I've been laid off, these unprecedented times, I am at my wit's end, and thank God I still have a job. As an apparent result of COVID-19, data according to CBS News reports that as of May 2020, some 722 companies sought bankruptcy protection around the US. Law offices have predicted that there would be a flood of individual folks inquiring about bankruptcy in the wake of this prolonged unemployment situation due to COVID-19. So the standard question that I'm hearing people ask and what they're facing is, should I file for bankruptcy? And should I file under a Chapter 7 code or Chapter 13? Now, before I go any further with this, I want to state and make it clear that I am not an attorney. I'm not a bankruptcy attorney. I don't represent companies. I don't represent the banking or anything related to bankruptcy cases. I'm simply here in the space of being a mentor and sharing information on this important topic. So, again, the questions that I'm hearing is, should I now file for bankruptcy? Is this the right time for me? Is this the thing that I should be doing? Because as a mentor in the project management space of things, I try to assist people around meeting their goals and their dreams and aspirations. But many folks are now at a point where they're wondering, how could I even begin that journey when I'm either, I don't have a job, I don't have benefits. How do I come up with resources to start working towards my goals? And so here we are. Some folks are at their wit's end and they're asking folks like me, should I file for bankruptcy? So here's my answer to that question. As much as I want to help, the best help I can offer is stating again that I am not an attorney, and to seek free consultation from attorneys' law office that are providing that free consultation that specialize in bankruptcies for individuals in such a time as this. The other thing that I will state is that every situation is different. And so the reason I say that is because as folks start inquiring and asking their friends and family about, did they have an experience with bankruptcy? What are their thoughts about it? What do you know about it? And there's folks that have gone through that process and they have varying experiences and situations. And so it is important not to, take on someone else's experience as this is how it will be for you, or make a decision based on someone else's experience without seeking legal consultation about your specific financial situation. Now, every financial situation may not require, or it may not be the best thing to do for you with respect to bankruptcy. It might be that after a consultation and perhaps a plan could be put together that would help you then be able to gain back in control or have some semblance of this is what I could do to rectify and solve my financial situation. In other instances, through a free consultation with a legal team, a law office that specializes in bankruptcy, that is going to be committed to looking at your specific situation and help provide the facts around the processes related to bankruptcy, what you could expect through a Chapter 7 code bankruptcy versus a Chapter 13. Which one might be the best solution for you? They might go through the ramifications of either or, and they should actually go through a process to determine even if you qualify for either a Chapter 7 bankruptcy or Chapter 13. Now, I'm speaking specifically to those two because those are the common bankruptcy codes that individuals typically file under. And all these things are, it's not to be taken lightly, but I want to emphasize it's about your specific situation and making sure that you are making the right decisions for your family by getting all of the facts and information around the topic. So I'll say this again, seek an attorney that specializes in bankruptcies, who can provide the facts, pros and cons. No bankruptcy is the same, so do not rely on someone else's experience in this case. The attorney or attorneys should discuss possible alternatives to bankruptcy, but ultimately it is about determining with the facts what is the foreseeable best resolution for you and your family, with all things considered. So for many people, just like you and I, we're having to make difficult decisions. So I hope this brief information was a help. I hope it's going to encourage you to seek out this information, be sensitive to the world around us, and make informative decisions. So until next time, be encouraged, be true to yourself, and be the best you to help others. Thank you.